Members of one of the newly constituted political parties in Meghalaya, the Voice of the People Party, VPP, had unveiled the party symbol during a meeting held on the 21st of January 2023 at the Smit grounds in East Khasi Hills. Besides party workers and supporters, others who attended the special function included candidates who will be contesting for the upcoming assembly elections in the state. The president of the VPP, Ardent M Basaiawmoit, who announced Prah or the traditional Khasi winnowing tray as the party's symbol, said that the particular household item is symbolic of the sifting of corruption from society, much like the separation of grain from the husk.
Kumbangila sang nongrim, yagani ka party, ba nyenwanra yaga jingkot, haga sinshar ka khadar. Kata ka nongrim, kabaning konge ka jungi, banwanra yaga sinshar khadar ka bakhoy. Kabo pait ba agini kisngi u angno dik baganwan kata ka sinshar ka khadar ka bakhoy. Namarngi sloto bagandalong shisha ka jingkerku yake longdien mandien ki jungi ngisno tunat bangile jidru ya utau symbol leni ka sharp janga party kabane di dor bat kata ka jing thmu ka jungi dena mar kata ngi de smoke man bangila banlum langi phi yakne ka por bat ban penbrano yar ya kane ka sharp janga party Kenapa pipin lek selagi Shillong kitau, selagi ying kisem, pen snow to iki pat ba usap jong ka party kaji kadai kani. Prah awangi jupen kau mabangi syarja, ban pen koi yu kau, ban peno yu start sherut, ban weng no yu syak mau, yu pen koi, ya kecuali kami. Kan mi betang doi kasur, maka jaj beri kenong, how Prah. Ban pen ko jaga jaj meriu. Hublai shibun, hublai.